Hello and welcome to the Hide Your Garden TV channel. In this brief video we will look at Vitalink Chill. Vitalink Chill is a biostimulant product designed to help the plant grow in hot conditions. Chill has been proven to reduce the effects of overheating in hot growing environments, allowing plants to not only cope but thrive when temperatures may be getting over 30 degrees. Chill is available in 250ml and 1 litre bottle sizes. For information on Vitalink, please visit our website, Facebook and Twitter social media pages. Thanks for watching, see you next time.